In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft Teams for Windows 10. Whether you're preparing for a workplace meeting or connecting with classmates, having Microsoft Teams on your computer can make collaboration much easier. So let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. For many, this might be Microsoft Edge, but any browser will work just fine. Once your browser is open, head over to the Microsoft Teams download page by typing in the web address www.microsoft.com/in-use/Microsoft Teams/download app. This page is your starting point for obtaining the application, and it's really user-friendly. Now, once you're on the Microsoft Teams download page, you'll see a section titled Teams for Desktop. This is where the magic happens. Look for the button that says Download Microsoft Teams for Windows. A simple click on this button will start the download process. The file you're retrieving is generally named something like msteamsetup.exe. And don't worry, the download should begin immediately, and it'll typically save to your default downloads folder. That's usually where browsers tend to save new files. After the download is complete, you'll need to navigate to your downloads folder. You can do this by opening File Explorer and selecting Downloads from the panel on the left. Here you'll find the downloaded file msteamsetup.exe sitting and ready to go. Just double-click on this file when you find it. This is a built-in step to launch the installer. Once you've double-clicked, the installer will spring into action. The automatic installation process begins immediately. You'll just need to sit back and relax for a moment. The installation might seem a little slow at times, usually taking just a minute or two, but rest assured, your computer is doing all the work setting everything up perfectly behind the scenes. As soon as the installation is complete, you'll notice Microsoft Teams launching automatically. There it is, ready and waiting on your desktop, eager to streamline your communication and collaboration needs. Before you start diving into Teams, there's just one final step, signing in. You'll be prompted to enter the email address and password linked to your Microsoft account. Whether it's a work account, a school email, or your personal account, make sure to have those credentials handy to ensure a smooth login process. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore all the features Microsoft Teams has to offer on Windows 10. As you get more accustomed to using it, you'll see how it can truly enhance your productivity through seamless communication and integration. Thanks for following along and enjoy using Microsoft Teams.